Oh, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Armani back here with you guys with a brand new video. And yes, it's another Monday, and I'm driving a V8 R8 from Parker's, so it's nice, it's cool, it's fun. It's a manual, if I didn't say that already. So I wish I had my suction cup mount in there so you guys can see me drive it, but I left it at Parker's. So Jack's getting pictures of that other C8. They sold the other one that Ethan locked the key in, and Ethan's over there with the 360. Sorry for the wind noise. If it's coming up, there's a lot of wind noise, but honestly, I like the way this drives. It hooks. Well, duh, better hook in 50-degree weather. Otherwise, I don't know what else would. But yeah, I'm just helping them out today, like I always do. And let's see what happens. I'll try to get some video of me driving it, but I don't know. It's fun. I actually like driving that. So I'll get back to y'all in a second. When Bill Gates finally decides to get a Ferrari.
Something like that.
Got Jack in his big ass lens. Jesus. I know he's compensating for something. Just kidding. So he drove that C8.
I didn't say you were wrong.
Ethan looking like Bill Gates in the Ferrari.
I don't like it. I'm gonna go sell it.
And I'm driving the cool boy mobile.
Exactly.
You don't like the Ferrari?
I had more fun in that than this.
Yeah, because you're actually moving with that.
No.
So, I don't know.
That just feels weird.
Yeah.
That's why I was gonna ask if you wanted to try it, because it's like it's the single clutch automatic, so and I'm not very used to it because I go shift. And it's like, okay, throw in a neutral. I don't know, it just feels weird.
That is weird.
Plus, I prefer to drive manual.
Yeah. Because you have a manual daily that you drive, so yeah. I don't know, that R8 just looks clean with those calipers and black wheels. Tony Stark, for real. I don't know, I like the carbon fiber bits on it too.
It's fucking windy.
Yeah, it's windy as shit. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of wind noise, but it is what it is.
Yes. Hello, yes, I am Bill Gates in 2003. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my Ferrari 360 Spider. As you can see, we'll go ahead and start it up for you. I bought this car with a lot of drug money. I'll be honest here. Ferrari, drug dealer. That's all I can say. That's my secret right there.
Oh, look at these dweebs. They took the top off. I'm just over here cooling with the tent, so I'm chilling. Fuck y'all, peasants. I drive this one. Shut up, Ethan. Oh, well, I'm gonna try to pull a straight, man. No! Jesus. That's great. Oh yeah, no stall. We are good. Let's go. I'm strand man in this bitch. Oh yeah. Pro supercar driver. Oh boy. God, I love this car. Even though it's a V8, it's still dope. I'll get back to y'all in a second. I'm really gonna have to concentrate and try to drive this thing. Why is it so windy today? But I put the R8 right here, take some pictures of it. And not bad. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. I don't know. I'm going to admit I stalled it twice. Luckily, I wasn't in traffic those 2 times. It's all good. But I don't know. For it being a V8, excuse me, it's a fun little car. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. Now, if somebody gave it to me, I mean, I drive it. I drive it for a while, but it's a fun little car. But I'd rather have V10. Just saying. That's just me. I know everybody else is the same. They want V10s too, so they only made V8s for a certain amount of time. But you have to admit, black with the blue calipers, with the silver paint color on the whole car. I don't know the paint color for it, but it's freaking nice. I have to admit, it's freaking nice. So I'm about to take this back. I think Ethan's doing a video on the what is it called? It's Volkswagen bus, like the van. I'll show you guys when we get down there. It has BMW wheels on it, which is so weird. But oh my god, just look at this. Sorry for the wind. It's really windy today. So clean. Well, I'm gonna take this back and see what Ethan's doing.
You got a full start too, by the way.
Okay. And then what about gas and choke down here? You got to play with them?
Oh, Jesus.
Down there.
Okay.
Jeez, Ethan
Again,
Ethan
much faster than what you were going to anticipate.
Ethan
It only
has
has a back brake, and it's sketchy.
Okay.
The bike is sketchy.
We just opened the door. Just in case he doesn't smack himself.
Alright, we'll go outside.
Oh, Jesus.
It's ridiculous, but it's not slow.
Alright.
Oh, Jesus. Here we go.
Oh, I should be named by the back brake.
Yeah. Hey! Hey, bud. How you doing? You want my microphone? You can't have it. Wait, you gotta turn the choke on. Dingus.
Just leave it out behind for now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, go. There you go.
Oh, God.
Hey! There you go. Cash is gone. Oh my god. Cash, come here. Oh, he's coming. Here he comes. Look at him go. Jeez, Marty McFly. I thought you were about to stall it, dude. That would have been so bad. Yeah. Open it.
And the clutch literally is like, it's that much, and you can't find the bike with it.
Jesus. No power steering and a terrible clutch. Interesting. Jesus. Wow. Alright, so we are at the same spot where Ethan sadly locked the key to C8. We're in this car now, and Ethan wants me to drive it. One more time. Not bad. Let's see how it drives.
It is now recorded.
Oh, Jesus. Here goes nothing. Oh, fucking brake is on. What the fuck is the...
You gotta pull it over there.
Oh, shit. Forgot. I hate Porsches. Shift. Cool. Can we keep going this way?
Yeah,
Right?
we can go that way.
Alright, let's see what we can do.
I'm gonna say letter E. Hold it down. Let's hit a launch.
Oh boy, here goes nothing.
Go. I think it's rear-wheel drive.
Oh, tracks.
I think she spins.
Oh, she's very nice.
Just gotta warm up them tires a little bit.
Yeah. Don't want to come in too hot. Because it's not our car, obviously.
But it's okay.
You going that way?
Yeah, we can go right here. The van. Wait, that's a truck. Hello, thank you, Parker. Please never watch this video.
Now we take it easy now. Right here?
That's our turn. Yep.
We're normal now.
Sport mode off, traction. Yeah. All right. So, can I get a 2-minute review?
She spins, but it's okay. I don't know. I mean, it's a fun little car for entry level.
This thing is slow. Oh, hello. Also, Bill Gates here. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, no, this thing's pretty slow.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, what did I drive today? An R8, two R8s.
With a top down, and
Yeah.
a fucking Ferrari with
And a
a
Ferrari,
top down.
and a few other little things, but I don't know. Most boring car of the day.
Yeah.
Wow, that's that exotic privilege right there.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello, Jack.
You heading out?
I don't know. I didn't know where you guys were.
Oh. We just want to take pictures of this and drive this around. It kind of slides.
How was it?
Yeah. It is what it is.
You gotta go look at AD's office.
Oh, shit, he put it up already?
It's fucking.
So, it is 5:16 in the morning. I'm editing this video before I go to work. And, yeah, you know what happened. If I'm recording this in the morning on the next day, I forgot to end the vlog off. But, to give y'all some more information about the car, it is the R8. It is a 2012 R8. Two-door coupe, obviously, quattro, and has a 4.2 liter V8. It is what it is. Only has 28,000 miles on it. 6-speed manual, as you guys seen in the video, and all-wheel drive. And color is ice silver metallic. And Parker wants $82,995 for it. If you're looking for a car like this, something just to putt around in for your first exotic car, that's a V8. I mean, you're kind of trying to save on a budget. Good car for you. 2012. I don't know if I said that yet. But, yeah. Gets 11 miles a gallon in the city, 20 miles to the gallon on the highway. But, yeah. Just so you guys can see, I'm editing the video now. Why is it coming up like that? 5:17 in the freaking morning. And yes, I'm editing the video now. Oh boy. But, oh my god, zoomed in. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. If I don't make a video before Christmas or a podcast before Christmas, I hope everybody has a blessed Christmas. Hope you guys get everything that you wanted. Even though this COVID situation's got everything all screwed up. But yeah, have a good Christmas. I'll probably make a video. Yeah, I'll probably make a recap video before the end of the year between there. So whenever that happens, it happens. I need to be 2021. I know I'm setting goals ahead of time, but more consistent, and the rest will come. But I'm thinking about changing some things 2021 so I can save some money for the car. Yeah. But other than that, like I said before, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Post notifications too. I haven't been saying that either. And yeah, stay tuned for other content coming on the channel. Peace.